I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make chicken soup, but this is not your regular chicken soup. This is Georgian chicken soup called CHIKHIRTMA. It is very simple, very easy, few ingredients, and it's gonna cook even faster because I'm gonna use this cute little Cornish hen. So first step, we're gonna start boiling our water. I have a medium-sized pot here and I have filled it up up to the half. And I'm gonna place my little Cornish hen in there and add my favorite ingredient, bay leaf. That's right, there, 2 bay leaves, because it gives the flavor to my broth. I'm gonna explain what I have here. I have few Georgian ingredients. Actually, you can find it everywhere now. Coriander, ground coriander. It's hard to find blue fenugreek here. If you can import it from Georgia, that would be great. If you can ask your Georgia friend, that would be great too. And I have also marigold here. So these ingredients give any of the dishes nice flavor and distinct Georgian flavor. So I like to use them pretty much in everything I cook when I cook Georgian dishes. I'm gonna also use 1 egg. 1 garlic clove and just a little dried hot pepper because I just like little spicy. And we also have here 1 tablespoon of regular all-purpose flour, which we're gonna mix in a broth or water and then add to our soup to thicken it a little bit and give that thick consistency. And salt, of course. It's very important to stand near before it starts boiling and skim the foam that comes on the surface. So if you have a slotted spoon, it's even better. I don't have it right now with me, so I'm just gonna use just regular spoon because you want your broth nice and clear. And the temperature is very important here because you don't want it too high because then you're not gonna have time to skim all the foam from the surface. After you skim the foam and it starts boiling, then you just need to wait until the chicken is cooked. That's it. It looks quite nice right now. I like it. I like how it looks. So I skimmed most of the foam from the surface and I'm just gonna let it cook for about 15 or 20 minutes until the meat is cooked. Let's check our chicken. It's been cooking for about 25 minutes and I think it should be ready. That looks quite ready, my little birdie. I'm going to take this out because I want to season the broth and put it aside here. And meanwhile, I'm going to mix my flour with a little bit of water and a little bit of broth because I don't want to pour like hot broth here because it's gonna then it's not gonna be smooth when I whisk it. And you just whisk that, make sure that there are no clumps here, gently, and we pour this into our soup and get your whisk ready and just mix it so it does not clump in the broth. Alright. And I'm gonna whisk my egg. Just 1 egg. Sometimes I add just egg yolk, but I don't want to waste egg white, so I'm just gonna add the whole egg. And the key is to add key at the end. So after everything is done, so your soup is ready, so then you add and you turn it off. I'm gonna add some salt because we need to season that. 1 teaspoon, I think it will be enough. I'm gonna add my seasonings, all our Georgian spices, mix. And I cooked this broth for about 5 minutes to make sure that it doesn't taste like flour, that flour is cooked. I'm gonna grate this little garlic clove at the end, and usually we add either dill or cilantro at the end or nothing, even nothing, but today I saw this beautiful bunch of mint and I wanted to try with mint. I think it will be pretty good. All right, that is good. And I am adding my eggs. I'm gonna turn this off because this way If you add it in the hot boiling broth, then it's gonna curdle and cook really fast. And actually I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that, because this way it will be easier to mix. That's a kind of a little trick. And it gives the thickness and the volume to the soup, not the big clumps of cooked egg. Though I don't even mind that big clumps of cooked egg, because I kind of like that texture too. And we pour our egg and just keep stirring, keep stirring. Don't worry if it curdles and cooks, it's still gonna have nice texture. Well, it did, but it's beautiful, still beautiful. Gonna cut just a little bit of meat, not too much, maybe one sprig, that will be enough. Just nice little slivers, and that's it. And you can always add it into the bowl when you garnish. And that's it, our soup is ready. Usually in Georgia, they cook the whole chicken and then cut them into pieces. And that's what we're gonna do. Although, when I make the soup, I like to take the meat out from the bones and just put the meat in the soup, so you don't have to worry about like having bones in your soup and then taking them out yourself. All right, let's build up our soup. So, gonna put this little drumstick there. I like to take the skin off though. Who needs the boiled skin? Especially it's not organic village chicken. It's just a Cornish hen. Like that. And then add some broth. It's a little thin. I could add maybe another tablespoon of flour, but it's fine. And I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of mint, chopped mint, and a very essential ingredient that they pour right in the bowl in Georgia, that is vinegar. So we usually use white wine vinegar, but I only have apple cider vinegar, and that will work pretty well too. And believe it or not, it gives this amazing flavor to this soup. And sometimes they add just freshly grated garlic, a little bit of garlic, and that is great too. It's perfect for hangovers. Or, you know, when you're feeling sick and down and you wanna have something nice and warm and comforting, not too much carbs in your body. So I'm gonna taste it. Oh, the vinegar, believe me, it just makes the difference, so much difference. It just brings it to another level. It's fantastic, and mint actually works well in this chicken soup. All right, I'm gonna save this bowl for my daughter because she's starving and she's waiting for me to make this soup. So she's gonna have this for her lunch. And I'm gonna say goodbye. See you next week. Thank you for watching.
Mom, this is so good.